Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 must-know makeup tips that will help you achieve a flawless and natural look with ease. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will elevate your makeup game and have you looking fresh and radiant in no time. So, grab your makeup bag and let's get started. Tip number 1. Prime and hydrate. The first step to achieving a flawless natural look is to prime and hydrate your skin. Start by applying a hydrating, lightweight moisturizer to prep your skin. Next, use a makeup primer that's suited to your skin type. This will help create a smooth canvas for your makeup and ensure it lasts all day. Tip number 2. Opt for a tinted moisturizer or light foundation. For a natural look, skip the heavy foundation and choose a tinted moisturizer or a lightweight foundation instead. These products offer light to medium coverage, allowing your skin to breathe while still evening out your skin tone. Use a damp makeup sponge or a brush to apply the product in thin layers, focusing on areas with any redness or uneven texture. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to mask it. Tip number 3. Master the art of concealing. A key skill for achieving a natural makeup look is knowing how to conceal imperfections without overdoing it. Use a lightweight, creamy concealer to spot-treat any blemishes, dark spots, or under-eye circles. Apply the concealer with a small brush or your ring finger and gently blend it into your skin. The trick is to use the concealer sparingly, only where you need it, to maintain a fresh-faced appearance. Tip number 4. Embrace cream products. Cream products are your best friend when it comes to a natural makeup look. Opt for a cream blush and bronzer to add a subtle flush of color and warmth to your face. Use your fingers to gently tap the blush onto the apples of your cheeks and blend outwards. Similarly, apply the bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline to create a soft, sun-kissed glow. Cream products blend seamlessly into the skin, giving you a dewy, radiant finish. Tip number 5. Enhance your natural features. Lastly, let's focus on enhancing your natural features. For the eyes, stick to neutral eyeshadow shades and apply a coat of lengthening mascara to make your eyes pop. Groom and fill in your eyebrows with a brow pencil or powder that matches your natural brow color, using light, feathery strokes. Finish off your natural look with a lip balm or tinted lip gloss in a shade close to your natural lip color for a touch of healthy shine. And there you have it. 5 makeup tips for a flawless and natural look. With these tips, you'll be able to confidently showcase your natural beauty and embrace your unique features. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found our tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your favorite natural makeup tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your go-to products and techniques for creating a fresh-faced, everyday look. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and enhancing your unique beauty, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials and beauty tips on our channel, and until next time, keep glowing and embracing your natural beauty.